Is your Golf 4's gear shift feeling a bit clunky and uninspired? This 12mm6 speed gear shift knob and gator boot from MK4 might just be the upgrade you've been looking for. It's designed specifically for the Golf 4 MK4 GTI R32 and Bora Jetta models from 1999 to 2004, promising a more comfortable and efficient driving experience. The installation is described as straightforward, aiming for a convenient and seamless fit right into your original car. The ergonomic design is a major selling point here. It's crafted to make driving more comfortable, and the real magic is supposed to happen when you shift gears. The claim is that it allows for faster and smoother shifts, which can significantly improve your overall driving feel and handling. It's not just about aesthetics. This knob is intended to enhance your driving practice and manipulative sense, making those gear changes feel more precise and effortless. Beyond the performance aspect, the comfortable touch feeling is also highlighted. It's designed to increase friction, which not only feels good in your hand, but also contributes to improved driving safety. Imagine those moments when you need a quick, confident shift. This knob aims to provide that extra bit of grip and control. The brand, MK4 emphasizes that this is the ideal accessory for your car, offering a significant upgrade to your driving experience. They also back their product with a commitment to sales service, encouraging customers to reach out with any questions. The promise is excellent quality and first-class service, aiming for customer satisfaction. So, if you're looking to inject a bit more refinement and responsiveness into your Golf 4's manual transmission, this 6-speed shifter upgrade from MK4 seems like a compelling option that focuses on both feel and function. It's a small change that could make a noticeable difference in your daily drive.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.